Cinnamon. Believe it or not, just a little cinnamon powder or a few small cinnamon sticks can be incredibly effective at repelling cockroaches. It sounds unbelievable, but this is a simple trick that many people have successfully used. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Cockroaches are not only annoying, but also carry countless dangerous bacteria and pathogens to your family. If you're tired of them appearing again and again, don't leave yet, because I'm going to show you how right now. Today, we'll create a simple, inexpensive, yet surprisingly effective cockroach repellent method that every home has. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. First, I take a cinnamon stick and break it into small pieces so that the essential oils can easily evaporate. Use a cloth bag or medical mask for the next step. Here I'm using a readily available medical mask. Cut off one end of the mask. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Add cinnamon. Shredded lemon peel. Put bay leaves in a bag. Then tie it tightly. Place the bags in areas where cockroaches frequently appear, such as under cabinets, in the kitchen, bathroom, and in food storage areas. Place small pieces of cinnamon around the bag or in the corners of cabinets and under the stove. Do not place directly on food or in areas where children can reach it. The combination of cinnamon, lemon, and bay leaves will create a strong, pungent scent that quickly and effectively repels cockroaches from your home. In addition, you should regularly clean the floors, remove food crumbs, and keep the kitchen dry. Cockroaches are very sensitive to smells, so combining this with regular house cleaning will increase the effectiveness by 2 to 3 times. To increase effectiveness, combine this with a cinnamon spray solution. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder and 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir well and let cool. Use a sieve to remove sediment. Pour the solution into a specialized spray bottle. Spray in areas where cockroaches frequent, under cabinets, wall cracks, kitchen floors, around trash cans. Spray every 3 to 4 days to maintain the cinnamon scent. Cockroaches will gradually stay away from these areas. This is an ideal solution for those who want to safely repel cockroaches without using chemicals while keeping their kitchen smelling fresh. Now, let's get started so we can learn quickly, easily, and effectively. First, you need to know that candles are made from paraffin. a petroleum hydrocarbon, which is highly polluting and extremely irritating to these insects. However, putting candles aside for now, we'll first need a small bowl or plate to make this special mixture. I've tried it in person before, but now I want to make it quick and easy in a short video so everyone can benefit. After preparing the bowl, we'll take one of the cockroach's favorite foods, white sugar. This will be the first bait for the cockroaches. Take a spoonful of sugar and place it in the bowl. There's nothing special about it, but sugar is so attractive to cockroaches that they can't resist. To increase effectiveness, we will combine it with lemon peel, something almost every household has. Instead of using lemon juice, use a grater, preferably one with small holes, to grate only the peel, where the strong lemon aroma is concentrated. Use about half a teaspoon of lemon peel compared to the amount of sugar you're using. While grating, the lemon scent will spread throughout the space, which cockroaches simply can't resist. You might be wondering, so when should we use candles? Don't rush, this part will be extremely interesting and well worth a try. First, add water, regular tap water, in an amount equal to the amount of sugar, which is 1 teaspoon. Gently mix the sugar and lemon zest together until the sugar dissolves, creating a liquid mixture. This trap is so effective that after just one night, you'll find no more cockroaches. The extremely attractive scent draws cockroaches out of their holes and straight into our trap. When the mixture has dissolved evenly, it will be slightly green and sweet, which is the necessary sign. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of vinegar. It could be apple cider vinegar, fruit vinegar, or regular vinegar. Remember to measure carefully. Mix well. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now, add baking soda in the same amount as the sugar, about 1 teaspoon. Baking soda is extremely strong and helps the mixture achieve optimal consistency and effectiveness. Mix well. And this is where the candle comes in. The candle is a crucial part of this mixture. No cutting or grating is needed, just use it as usual. Take a piece of toilet paper, fold it, and use it to absorb the mixture from the bottom, making sure it's dry. Next, burn the bottom of the candle slightly so that you can place it in the center of the bowl of mixture. Once the candle is attached, light it. And there you have it, an extremely effective cockroach trap. The candle creates heat around the mixture, intensifying the scent and drawing cockroaches straight into the trap from all their hiding places. It sounds strange, but try it, and you'll see amazing results. When the cockroaches eat the mixture, the baking soda causes a reaction in their bodies, specifically producing gas they can't expel, leading to their complete death. That's the method I wanted to share with you. Hopefully, try it and leave a comment sharing your results. The next method is also very simple and highly effective, and it's the one I used. Killing cockroaches with banana peels. First, pour 200 milliliters of hot water, 55 degrees Celsius, into a plastic tray or large jug. Here, I'm reusing an old plastic tray. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent. Stir thoroughly with a spoon until the detergent is completely dissolved. Water at 55 degrees Celsius helps the detergent dissolve faster, creating a stronger smelling and slightly thicker mixture. Cut the banana peel into small pieces. Put it on a plate. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of sugar on the banana peel. Gently mix the sugar so it coats the surface of the banana peel. This is the bait that attracts cockroaches. Pour the banana and sugar mixture into the tray containing the solution. Stir gently to ensure the banana peel pieces are evenly coated. For the trap to work effectively, place it in areas where cockroaches frequent, such as under the stove, behind the refrigerator, near the trash can, dark corners in kitchen cabinets, and wall cracks. Cockroaches will smell the banana and sugar, crawl in, and fall into the detergent solution, dying within minutes. After 2 to 3 days, check the jar and replace with a fresh mixture. Dispose of the old trap jars in the toilet or a tightly sealed trash bag. This is a short video I wanted to share with you. Hopefully you will try it and see its amazing results for yourself. Don't forget, after you try it, come back and leave a comment sharing your experience so that many others will also be motivated to try this amazing formula. If you like this video, please leave me a heart in the comments and a like. Thank you, my dear friends. See you next time.